MeghalayaPost.news Kamlong shisha ka jing bentoy ka bakrawi ki arpusan ngut ki Heprit na ka jela ka baling ba ka Ryntih Football Club Shillong kinyola bansay madanya ka sap yelekai football ba kani ka kenhun na Meghalaya kan le isu menta ha ka International Iber Cup arajar arpun Rio ka banlong ha Estoril Lisbon Portugal kani ka International Iber Cup kadai na ka benta ki under 14 boys bat kan sedang nadu ka arp kandai tarik ujeliu bat kan kut hadu ka santarik unaitung arajar arpun Rio kani ka kenhun Ryntih Football Club amdei ba kami kmatang ya ka jela Meghalaya bat kan mi kmat hiru na kabenta kari India namar na kari India ditangkani ke kenhun kabayo banlik simenta hakate ka Iber Cup arajar arpun Rio kalong ru ka jingkaman ka bakraw ya Ryntih Football Club banlik jalam ya kite ki Heprit syakate ka limpung yile kai ka bahe jong ka pertai namar na kalyang ka sarkar ling bagatnat Sports and Youth Affairs kila sim ya ka jingkit kli ban kursyan ya ka jinglut jingsap jong ki Heprit ke balik simenta syakate ka limpung na kalyang ka sarkar jula ling baw menteri rang ba ka jela Konrad ke sangma ulai bor ya kani ka kenhun banlik simenta hakate ka Iber Cup arajar arpun Rio ha Portugal panalor kata ulapan benaru baka sorkar jula kan shim ya kejingkit kli ban penlut ya baro kijinglut jingsap dak sorkar yakini ki Heprit ke belik ban shimenta hakate ke Iber Cup arajar arpun Rio nadu menteri ketenat sport suba wailat miki shlam bat menteri rang ba ka jela Konrad ke sangma omtang bakilapan bena baka sorkar kan penlut pensap ya ki Heprit ke belik shimenta henry kila airu kejingker ku kerdo bakini ki Heprit ling ba ka Ryntih Football Club kinwan raru ya kanam bat keburom ya ka jela bat kari India hi baro kawai nakalyang CEO ka Ryntih Football Club uba Everest Mersing ula shimi kala ban ai kublai kerpang ya ka sorkar nadu menteri rang ba ka jela Konrad ke sangma baru ya menteri ketenat sport uba wailat miki namar deling ba ka jingkersyan ka sorkar bagi Heprit kilayo ikala ban lishimenta hakate ka Iber Cup arajar arpun Rio kabalalong shisha ka jingker kui ki Heprit bakin sai madanya ki sap ki pong banyo ishimenta hakum kini ki lempung yelekai football bahe ha ka perthai
I Ronald Vigstar Walang son of Master Sinsar Lang Nangrang I am thankful to the NDA government of Meghalaya and the Chief Minister of the Meghalaya for providing us a financial assistance for our journey to Portugal. Once again, thank you very much for all of your support.
On behalf of the Ryntih Sports and Cultural Club, Shillong, Meghalaya, as the CEO, I would like to sincerely express my heartfelt gratitude to the government of Meghalaya, especially our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Konrad Sangmaji, our Deputy CM, Ba Preston Tensong, Ba A.L. Hek, for their constant support, guidance, and also their encouragement to give our young boys who are under 14 to participate in the international event, the Iber Cup 2026 at Estoril, Lisbon in Portugal. We are going to represent our state Meghalaya and also our nation India at this international event, which will begin from the 29th of June till the 4th of July, where all the elite clubs of the world will be participating and also showcasing all the skills and also the talents that our young boys from our state will get an opportunity to play and also join hands with the other clubs. And we pray that the blessings of our Honorable Chief Minister, also the sports department, including the sports minister, to come and also officially flag off and send off with their blessings on Sunday. Thank you so much.
MeghalayaPost.news